In the not-so-distant future, a peculiar phenomenon began to occur. People from all of the globe, irrespective of their race, religion, or social status, started reporting eerily similar dreams. These dreams were alike, but they also seemed to align with specific events or predictions. This strange occurrence, which came to be known as dream synchronization, sparked a flurry of investigations into the collective unconscious and the interconnectedness of human minds. The first reports of dream synchronization trickled in from various parts of the world. A farmer in a remote village, a high-powered executive city, a monk in a secluded monastery, scientist in a state-of-the-art lab, all reported having the same dream on the same night. The dream was vivid and detailed, featuring a vast, shimmering ocean under a sky ablaze with stars. A colossal wave rose from the ocean, reaching for the stars, before crashing back into the water, causing a ripple that spread across the entire ocean. The dream was so vivid that woke up with the taste of salt on their lips and the sound of crashing waves in their ears. But what was even more startling was that the dream seemed to predict an event that occurred the very next day. A massive wave, the likes of which had never been seen before, rose in the Pacific Ocean. It was a harmless wave, not a tsunami, but its size, and the fact that it occurred precisely as had in the dream, sent shockwaves around the world. As news of the dream and the wave spread, more and more people forward, claiming they had experienced the dream. Scientists, psychologists, and dream researchers were baffled. For this mass synchronized dreaming, theories began to circulate. Some suggested it was a case of mass hysteria, while others proposed the idea of a collective unconscious, a term coined by Carl Jung, which refers to structures of the unconscious mind shared among beings of the same species. As the phenomenon continued, with people around the world reporting similar dreams that seemed to predict specific events, researchers began to investigate in earnest. They conducted extensive, interviewing thousands of people and recording their dreams in meticulous detail. They found that the dreams were not only similar in content, but also in the emotions they evoked. Wonder and a sense of impending change were common themes. The researchers also discovered that the dreams seemed to be synchronized with the lunar cycle. The most vivid and widely shared dreams occurred on the night of the full moon. This led to further speculation about the influence of celestial bodies on human consciousness. Meanwhile, the dreams continued to predict events with uncanny accuracy. A dream of a meteor shower was followed by the most spectacular meteor shower in recorded history. A dream of a rare flower blooming in a desert preceded the discovery of just such a flower. The dreams seemed to be a window into the future, but they were also than that. They were a shared experience, a connection between people across the globe. As persisted, it began to change society in profound ways. People started to pay more attention to their dreams and to the dreams of others. Dream sharing became a common practice, and dream interpretation evolved into a respected profession. The dream served as a unifying force, bridging cultural and geographical divides. They fostered a sense of global community and shared destiny. The phenomenon also sparked a spiritual awakening in many. People began to see the dreams as a form of divine communication, a message from a higher power. This led to a resurgence of interest in spirituality and mysticism, and a decline in materialism and consumerism. But perhaps the most significant impact of the dream synchronization was on science. The phenomenon challenged the fundamental principles of science, forcing scientists to reconsider their understanding of the universe and the nature of consciousness. It led to groundbreaking research in quantum physics, neuroscience, and psychology, and opened up new fields of study. The phenomenon of dream synchronization revealed the interconnectedness of human minds and the collective unconscious in a way that had never been experienced before. It showed that we are all connected, not just through the physical world, but also through our dreams and our consciousness. It reminded us of the profound mystery and wonder of existence, shared journey through this vast, beautiful universe. In the end, the phenomenon of dream synchronization was not just about dreams or predictions. It was about connection, unity, and the shared human experience. It was a reminder that we are all part of ourselves, something and beautiful. It was a call to awaken, to pay attention, to listen to our dreams and to each other. And it was a glimpse into a future where we recognize and celebrate our interconnectedness, where we honor our shared dreams and our shared destiny. Subscribe.